When it comes to inventory, small businesses can compete with the big guys by working smarter and not just harder. Here's how to optimize your inventory management for success in 2025 with enterprise-level tools scaled down for your business. First step, digitize your inventory tracking. Replace spreadsheets and manual counts with automated inventory software. Even small businesses can afford modern inventory solutions that track stock levels in real time. Start the year with a complete inventory audit, and then let that modern solution help maintain accuracy going forward. This can give you the same visibility that big businesses and retailers use without the enterprise-level price tag. Next, use last year's data to plan smarter for 2025. Modern inventory solutions use your sales data to predict future demand. There's no data scientists required. You can then set up automatic reorder points based on lead times and demand patterns. This prevents both stockouts and overstocking, which helps you compete with larger competitors who often use extensive forecasting teams. The next step is you're going to transform your mobile phone into a powerful inventory tool. Today's modern systems offer powerful mobile warehouse tools that you can scan, receive, perform cycle counts, order fulfillment, etc., all in the palm of your hand. Your entire team could update your inventory from anywhere in the store or warehouse. This mobility was once limited to only the biggest businesses, but has now been made affordable and accessible for small businesses. There's definitely links down below. What if you're selling both online and in-store? Well, you need to sync your inventory across all your channels. This means when someone buys online, your in-store stock can update automatically or vice versa. This real-time integration prevents overselling while also providing transparency about availability to your customers. That same technology that big businesses use to power their inventory is now scaled and priced for small businesses. And like the big players, you want to be able to track carrying costs and item shrinkage. A modern inventory solution for small businesses will flag slow-moving items and suggests optimal stock levels based on budget and storage space. All combined, these tools help maintain a healthy cash flow, which is so important for small businesses in 2025. Make 2025 the year that your business achieves inventory excellence. Enterprise-level inventory is now within reach. Start with these fundamentals and you will find yourself competing very well, and you will see that 2025 is your year. Good luck. Thanks.